So again, if 9 were all my pins, well, I know that 9 pins cost the $7.74. So again, that would have been the total or the whole, right? So that's just the difference. And I can't write over here, but $7.74. So that is why they put the whole on the top for this one. That's why these are like that. And then they put the part on the bottom, which is the 6 and the other amount. So we're going to check our answer for that one. Okay, very good. All right, so we're going to continue down doing so proportions in word problems. Oh, we want to practice them. So if I'm going to do one of these, and then I'm going to Miss Cladney is going to pass out your quiz. Okay, so let's look at this one right here. It says. Okay, so Chief Rita is cooking for a Sunday brunch. She knows that 22 pancakes can feed 8 people. She is wondering how many people she can feed with 55 pancakes. She assumes each person eats the same quantity or the same amount of cupcakes, all right? So the first thing is, this is a word problem. So I want you to absolutely be in the habit of ripping these. So I'm going to come over here. Let me write up here. No, it will not. So let me write right here. So I want you to rip this. Use your rip strategy. So my question is, she wants to know how many people she can feed. That's the question. Okay. So right here, I would just write, how many people can she feed? I don't know. I can write this with this little weird thing right here. How many can she feed? Okay, that's my question. So to be able to work this, I need to find my important information. So let's go and trace that. I know that 22 pancakes will feed 8 people. Okay, so I know that I'm comparing pancakes over people, and I'm going to make this one PA for pancakes. So pancakes and people. I know that 22 pancakes will feed 8 people. And what I want to know is what 55 pancakes. So if I could fit a 55, what 55 pancakes, I can't fit it. 55 pancakes will feed. Well, that was supposed to erase. Did not. So 55 up here. Let me just change its color. So 55. I'm going to get that 55 in there. 55 pancakes, and these are going to be equal. How many people I can feed. So to solve this, it is super simple. I'm just going to set up a proportion. So I don't want to write that out. Proportion. Okay. So I'm going to set that up. And I'm not going to try and write in this little bitty space because y'all can see I can't write with this thing at all. So we're just going to set it up. So pancakes over people. I know that 22 pancakes will feed 8 people. So the question that I have is, how many people, so that's my question mark, right? Or my variable, what I don't know yet, I can make it a letter in a minute. Can I feed with 55 pancakes? And just for good math's sake, let me take that away. I'm going to make this an X, a variable. Okay. I'm trying to solve for X. So again, it does not matter if you start at my lonely number, which is 55, or if you start and you find the variable, hop across to the 8 and then multiply, because you're multiplying diagonally the same 2 numbers. So I'm going to come over here, 55 times the 8. Should put that line right there. Times the 8. Okay, so 8 times 5, we all know is 40. I'm going to put my 0, carry my 4. 8 times 5 again is 40, plus that 4 is going to give me 44. So I have 440 right now, but that's not my answer. I then have to take that answer and divide it by the only other number. So I would come down, give me room to work, 440 divided by 22, which is my only other number that I haven't done anything with yet. And then it will equal my answer. Cross multiplication there, okay? 22 does not go into 4, but it goes into 44. How many times? 2. 2 times 22, well, is 44, okay? So that's 4. When I subtract, I'm left with 0. Bring down this 0. And 22 goes into 0 times. So how many people will I be able to feed? I'll be able to feed 20 people. So let's check our answer there. Okay. So again, you are fixing to get your quiz and you are going to work extremely hard. There are, I believe, 10 questions. So use this knowledge that we just went over and solve those proportions. Remember to label, remember to do rips on the word problems. All right, good luck.